future. Please look toward the sky and help us count down to the Rancho Cordova July 4th fireworks show. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Majesties. Whoa, whoa. we see old glory flying, there's a lot of men dead. So we can sleep in peace at night when we lay down our head. My daddy served in the army, we lost his right eye, but he flew a flag out in our yard till the day that he died. He wanted my mother, my brother, my sister and me to grow up and live happy in the land of the free. Now this nation that I love is falling under attack. A mighty sucker punch came flying in from somewhere in the back. Soon as we could see clearly through our big black eye, man, we lit up your world like the 4th of July. Hey, Uncle Sam, put your name at the top of his list, and the Statue of Liberty started shaking her fist, and the eagle will fly, and it's gonna be hell when you hear Mother Freedom start ringing her bell, and it'll feel like the whole wide world is raining down on you. All brought to you courtesy of the red, white, and blue. Of the red, white, and blue. Of my red, white, and blue. Look up from the desert to the bay, from mountains to harbor lights.
America,
Remembers the way. Granddad pulls the lawn chairs out, kids run barefoot through the crowd. Mama places hands on hearts when the anthem rises loud. Red dust falling over fields, blue light on a pickup hood. White stars waiting in the dark, like the brave ones knew they would.
before the rockets kissed the sky, before the colors learned to bloom, there were signatures and trembling hands in a candle-crowded room. And a man rode home to say, let the bells and bonfires shine, let the whole wide continent glow for the freedom of mankind.
So when the night turns gold and man-made thunder rolls, it ain't just smoke and summer air. So the young should always know each spark was paid in blood back there, and their promises still grow.
Fireworks over the USA,
Red like the courage that
finds a way.
white like the prayers,
God we trust,
blue like the dreams still propelling us.
let the whole sky sing. Let freedom ring
From sea to shining sea,
We look above
with tears in our eyes and a cup full of love.
fireworks over America. Beautiful,
Like liberty,
boom, boom, miracle.
born to be brave and free.
Boom, boom, beautiful.
High as the eagle flies,
Fireworks, fireworks.
stars in our children's eyes. From one end of this land, from New York to LA, let the dark remember.
While we shine.
Fireworks over the USA.
Yeah,
250.
and we're doing fine.
If tomorrow all the things were gone I'd worked for all my life, and I had to start again with just my children and my wife. I thank my lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us as we marked Independence Day and America's 250th anniversary. We hope you enjoyed this special evening with family, friends, and neighbors celebrating life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Safe travels, and may God bless America.